First, with this problem, I'd like to answer the last three questions. They're easier and shorter than the mean and standard deviation. The probability that one person is in line is simply the probability associated with the outcome of 1, or 0.035. Probability that at most there are 3 people in line means most 3 or anything less than that. So we want all these probabilities. 0.011 plus 0.035 plus 0.089 plus 0.15. Together, that is a probability of 0.285. The probability that more than 4 people are in line, more than 4 would be 5 and 6, so we need the probabilities 0.172 and 0.132. For a probability of 0.304. Okay, so now let's clean up our table and calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Mean, the expected value of the random variable x, is the sum of x times the probabilities of x. So we're going to create another column titled x times the probability of x. And inside there, write what happens when you multiply these together. 0 times 0.011 is 0. 1 times 0.035 is 0.035. And the following are 2 times 0.089 is 0.178. 3 times 0.15 is 0.45. 4 times 0.186 is 0.744. The next column is 0.86, and the next one is 0.792. So we're simply multiplying the values of x times the probability of x. To get to the mean, we just need to add these up, right? So here we go. 0.035 plus 0.178 plus 0.45 plus 0.744 plus 0.86 plus 0.792. 3.059 is the mean of the distribution. The standard deviation, sigma, is the square root of the sum of x squared times the probability of x minus this mean squared. So we create a new column for what happens when we square x and multiply it by the probability of x. 0 squared times 0.011 is still 0, and 1 squared times 0.035 is still 0.035. Then we get 2 squared times 0.089, which is 4 times 0.089. Let's do them, put it over here. 2 squared times 0.089 is 0.356. 3 squared, 9 times 0.15 is 1.35. 4 squared times 0.186 is 2.976. 5 squared times 0.172 is 4.3, and 6 squared times 0.132 is 4.752. So now we want to add those up to get the sum of x squared times the probability of x. So let's try that. 0 plus 0.035 plus 0.356 plus 1.35 plus 2.976 plus 4.3 plus 4.752 is a sum of 13.769. So now down here in the formula, the standard deviation sigma is the square root of the sum of x squared px, which we created right here, 13.769, minus the mean squared, 3.059 squared. So we're going to take the square root of 13.769 minus 3.059 squared. That's the standard deviation. Comes out to be about 2.1. The next two decimal places are 0, so I'll leave it at 2.1. Found the mean and the standard deviation. We also use the probability distribution to make some probabilities here.